Shahid. Hi, Ileana. Welcome to our show. Yes, Shahid.
Trolley abhi tak ruki nahi, you have to keep speaking.
Stop it. The action is on you. You are supposed to speak up now. It's your
मुझे
turn.
तो रोज मेरे साथ तो ऐसा रोज होता है, ऐसे हादसे रोज होते हैं. आज आपके साथ भी हादसा होना चाहिए.
Oh my God. So, but tell me, Shahid, you're back after a year. Did you miss seeing yourself on screen?
I didn't miss seeing myself on screen. I missed being in front of the camera. I enjoy being in front of the camera.
Right.
So that's something.
As he is right now.
Yeah.
As I am right now.
But there's 1 year gap. What else was happening other than shooting films?
Nothing. I was frustrated. I didn't know what to do with my life. I realized that I have very little. I have very less of a life would be the right. Trying to find the right line.
You can't have very tough a life.
I have less of a life when I'm not in front of the camera, man. I mean, it defines me in such a big way because, you know, I've been acting since I was 21. That it's been what? It's been 11 years now, man.
Wow.
You know, so.
Wow. Are you like this generally, or is it the movie and the character you're playing?
I'm very moody, so there are days where I'm like this, and then there are days where I'm a little quiet. But on this film set, I was like this every day.
Yeah.
Because Raji was like this every day. Because everybody on the set was like this every day. Because the movie is like that. It's one of those movies, and so I'm ODing on that right now. I'm still kind of, you know, I'm still reeling under the impact and the effect of Fatah Poster Nikla.
So this is a total masala entertainer, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
tell us a bit about it.
It's a madcap film. He plays pretty much like a fake cop. And I believe that he is an actual cop. So I go about my entire life saying this is a cop and I'm his huge fan. So whenever I'm with him, I just go... So it's, you know, that little... Yeah, so it is a crazy film. There's an insane
And
amount
my
of comedy.
permanent expression for Ileana is kuch bhi bol Ileana, kuch bhi bol.
Sir, मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ.
This is my permanent expression for her.
कुछ ढूंढो वहाँ पे चल रहा है. पीछे कर दीजिए, please. Let's follow them. Let's do something. He's always pissed off.
Wow.
He hates me.
This is my romantic face for Ileana.
That's his romantic.
It's a romantic
face.
face.
I'm making blue eyes.
In this film.
Yeah. Shahid, we believe you've done pole dancing for this movie.
Yeah,
Cabaret.
believe what you've seen it in the promo.
Yeah.
Cabaret.
It's the first cop I've ever seen in my life who's pole dancing,
kind of number.
and there's a cabaret
What
which
convinced
follows
you to
after
do
that. Huh?
What convinced you to do that?
Actually, one of the assistants came up with this idea. His name is Rudraksh, and let me give him credit because it's due. And he always said that you know, when we were doing this cabaret thing, he was like, and there were two poles, right? So there was no plan. There was just this whole situation. So we were inside this club, which is supposed to be like a shady club, and one of the assistants came with wide eyes and said, "Shahid, you should dance on a pole, yaar. Tu pole dance kar." So I have pretty much lived Rudraksh's fantasy
can imagine him saying
one situation in the film, and somehow we convinced Raji to do it because he was like, "नहीं अच्छा नहीं लगता है," and we were like, "नहीं sir, मजा आएगा, time pass करेंगे." So finally he was like, "अच्छा ठीक है कर लो यार, it's looking funny."
Tell us something about Ileana we don't know, Shahid.
She doesn't pay people compliments ever. She's like a teacher. She's always behaving strict around you. She's very scary.
It seem like it, really.
Thank you.
She moves her waist really well, but that also people know. But maybe people have not known so much.
Specifying, you know, that just sounds
Sounds
wrong.
very strange, Shahid, really.
Why? Arey, I'm talking in context of dancing, yeah.
So how do they know?
Show them then.
I can't show them now.
Why?
No, I'm sorry, I'm
You
on
only
mic
do it when you
up
get paid for it.
Yes.
These actresses.
Give me
I'll
the
do it for
moolah.
free. Anytime. I
Yeah,
love
really?
Zoom. I love Zoom.
Tell us something about your aspiring actor days. Something real aspiring actor days.
I got rejected from 100 auditions. Everything people know, yeah. What is it? Nothing new. क्या बताऊँ तेरे को मैं नया?
How was your first day, first scene, the first scene that you shot? Tell us
What was
about
your
that.
first shot?
The
The first shot that I gave was in Ishq Vishk was this shot where I'm running down with this fake Sachin Tendulkar.
Were you
How did it go?
nervous?
I was very nervous. I was very nervous because everybody was new in the film.
Yeah.
So the chances
You know,
of it getting
right.
made were quite bleak. The biggest star in the film was Annu Malik, and we were like, Annu ji ki music mil gayi hai to gaane to log sun lenge. Yeah.
Ileana, last year was your first year in Bollywood. You won a lot of awards. You did a very good role. Does it put a lot of pressure on you?
Well, yeah, because I didn't expect Barfi to work. I mean, I've only done commercial films in the South, so when I did an offbeat sort of film like Barfi, I didn't expect it to work. But when it did work, it put immense pressure. So I just expected people to, you know, see me in that sort of, or expect to see me only in that kind of avatar. So seeing me in a commercial film doing stuff like that, like an absolute all-out madcap commercial film.
Did you make like a conscious effort, like after Barfi, I will not do very serious roles, I won't do something?
It was,
Yeah.
it was. I think it was. I mean, that's one thing that Anurag actually told me before Barfi release, because I was unbelievably nervous and stressed, and I did not know whether the film would do well. I mean, it's a different story, and at the end of the damn story, I don't even get the guy. You know, so I was like, who's going to look at me in the film? But he told me, he's like, I can tell you with utmost confidence that the only bad thing that can come out of this film for you is that people might perceive you as a serious actor. So I did. I mean, I think people really liked me, and I appreciate that. It was really nice. But I wanted to step away from it. I said, let's do something really commercial. Let's go a little nuts.
Shahid, have you gone past a stage in your life where you get nervous, or you kind of feel the heat?
Everybody gets nervous before a Friday. Whoever says they don't is lying.
That's true.
You know the pressure and the kind of expectations people have of you.
Right.
Yeah,
no,
that
I
kind
think,
of pressure.
see, it's great that people have expectations. I would want to be somebody people expect nothing from. Like, pata nahi kya karega yaar, jo kar raha hai dekh lo. So I'm happy that people expect, and I'm ready to work hard to live up to those expectations. This film is crucial because it's a new genre for me. I've never attempted a film like this before. I've never done actually an out-and-out comedy like this. I've never done it before, but I'm very happy and very excited and really looking forward because I've had a blast in the film. We've all had a blast in the film. So let's see.
Yeah. So will you guys be watching the movie in the day of release, Shahid?
I hope to see it.
In
the theatre?
before it.
Yeah, I hope to see it one day before.
Yeah, I hope to see before it release.
Yeah, for sure. I always go and see every film of mine in the theatre.
theatres?
For sure.
I'd love to. I haven't seen it yet.
This was a total masala interview. Thank you so much. We had a blast. I hope you guys had a nice time too.
We did.
Fab.